The process of sperm production in the male body is a fascinating and intricate dance of biology, taking place deep within the testicles. It's a process known as spermatogenesis, and it's happening continuously, every single day, throughout most of a man's life. But how often does the male body actually produce sperm? To answer that, let's take a closer look at the journey from the very first cell division to the creation of a mature sperm cell. Ready to play its part in human reproduction, spermatogenesis begins in the seminiferous tubules, which are tiny, coiled tubes located inside the testes. These tubules are packed with specialized cells called spermatogonia. From puberty onward, these cells are activated by hormones to start dividing and differentiating, beginning the months-long process of creating new sperm. Every day, millions of spermatogonia begin their transformation, and this cycle repeats itself over and over without pause. The entire process of creating a single sperm cell from a spermatogonium takes approximately 64 to 72 days. While that may sound like a long time, the body doesn't wait for one batch to finish before starting another. Instead, there are thousands of overlapping cycles happening at once, ensuring a constant supply of sperm is always available. In fact, the average healthy adult male produces about 1,600 sperm cells every single second. That equates to over 100 million new sperm every day. It's a staggering number, and it highlights just how efficient the male reproductive system is at ensuring fertility. But what drives this non-stop production? The answer lies in the hormonal control centers of the body. The process is orchestrated by the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, two regions located at the base of the brain. The hypothalamus releases a hormone called gonadotropin-releasing hormone, which signals the pituitary gland to secrete two more hormones, luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormone. These hormones travel through the bloodstream to the testes, where they stimulate the production of testosterone and the initiation of spermatogenesis. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a critical role in the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues, as well as in the stimulation of sperm production. The balance of these hormones ensures that spermatogenesis continues at a steady, healthy pace. Within the seminiferous tubules, the process starts with the division of spermatogonia. These cells undergo several rounds of mitosis, creating more cells that gradually differentiate into primary spermatocytes, then secondary spermatocytes, and eventually become spermatids. Each transformation is carefully regulated, and at each stage, the cells move closer to the center of the tubule. Eventually, the spermatids undergo a remarkable transformation called spermiogenesis. During this phase, they lose excess cytoplasm, develop a tail for mobility, and form the distinct head shape that allows them to penetrate an egg during fertilization. Once fully formed, these mature sperm cells, known as spermatozoa, are released into the lumen of the tubule, but their journey isn't over yet. From the seminiferous tubules, sperm travel through a network of ducts, eventually reaching the epididymis, a long coiled tube attached to the back of each testis. Here, sperm continue to mature, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. This maturation process takes about 2 weeks. Sperm can be stored in the epididymis for several weeks, but if not ejaculated, they are eventually broken down and reabsorbed by the body. Because of this continuous cycle of production, the male body is almost always ready to release sperm. During ejaculation, the sperm are propelled from the epididymis through the vas deferens, mixing with fluids from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands to form semen. Each ejaculation typically contains between 40 million and 300 million sperm. Though only one is needed to fertilize an egg, the constant nature of sperm production is one of the key factors in male fertility. Unlike females who are born with a finite number of eggs, males produce new sperm throughout most of their lives. However, the quality and quantity of sperm can be influenced by age, lifestyle, and health factors. For example, excessive heat, exposure to toxins, stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and certain medical conditions can all negatively impact sperm production and health. As men age, there can be a gradual decline in testosterone levels and a reduction in the efficiency of spermatogenesis. While most men remain fertile into their later years, sperm count and motility may decrease with age. That's why maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important for supporting reproductive health at any age. The sheer scale of sperm production is a testament to nature's strategy for maximizing the chances of successful fertilization. Given the challenging journey sperm must undertake, from navigating the female reproductive tract to reaching and penetrating the egg, it makes sense that the body produces them in such vast numbers. In summary, the male body produces sperm continuously, with new sperm being created every second of every day. The process of making a single sperm cell takes about 2 to 2.5 months, but because of overlapping cycles, there is always a fresh supply available. This intricate process is governed by hormones, supported by specialized cells, and influenced by overall health and lifestyle choices. It's an ongoing cycle that highlights the remarkable capabilities of the male reproductive system, ensuring that the possibility of new life remains ever present. Understanding how often the male body produces sperm not only sheds light on the marvels of human biology, but also underscores the importance of reproductive health. By taking care of your body, you support this continuous vital process, keeping your reproductive system functioning at its best. Whether you're curious about fertility, planning a family, or simply fascinated by the wonders of the human body, the story of sperm production is one of endless renewal, resilience, and the incredible potential for new beginnings.